My name is Prophet Dr. Richard Wilson from Multitude Evangelistic Ministry International. I saw a video circulating all over social media. A chief imam appealing to all Muslims to vote for a Muslim candidate. His Excellency, I want to know, what are you saying to Christian body?
Prophet Wilson talked about an imam asking all Muslims to vote for a Muslim candidate. I think I saw the video too, and I thought it was most unfortunate because the office we're vying for is not an office that we're being elected to deal with the spiritual. We're being elected to manage the country and manage the citizens of this nation. Yes, we need spiritual guidance, we need prayers and intercession, but the qualification for doing that does not mean that one must be of a certain religion or not. And so if we were appointing a new pope, of course, you must be Catholic to become a pope. If we're appointing a new bishop, you must belong to that church to be a bishop. If we're appointing a new general superintendent for Assemblies of God, you cannot come from anywhere and come and be elected as general superintendent. If they are electing a new national chief imam, of course, Pastor Wengam cannot go and become a new national chief imam. So you have to elect a Muslim. So we're not electing leaders of religious denominations. We're electing leaders to lead the nation. And so I do think that as much as possible the discourse should not bring our religion in. Let's look at the people who are offering themselves and let us, based on our assessment of what we think is possible and what they can do, elect the best person to lead and manage this country. And so I'll say what he did was unfortunate, but of course people get very emotive when it gets to issues of politics, and especially when it comes to who becomes the president. With regards to if not now, when again? If not now, when again? Say, what is this? Never. Yes, I need to see money and none. On the 7th of December, I make a ceremony. Islam should be a cotumano.
Ya kai ni irin mu Musa alaihi kama hotel ku fadi tsakani da Allah dukkan musulmi da kake gane yau balle kana nan a matsayin ka na dandari ka tijaniya ya zama dole ka mutu ba wani ba don kai kana so ba ya zama maka dole ka mutu ba dai kai malami ne ka karanta Qur'ani kuma kai malami ne kai musulmi ne ka yadda kai musulmi ne dole ka mutu mabawuya saboda mu yi alfahari wata rana musulmi ya zama shugaban kasa. Mun wuce lokacin soyayya, kana da ra'ayinka yau nan a batun ra'ayi yake da san ce gidan siyasa cikin ku na fito wani wuri ban magana da saboda an buga ni amma nan gidana ne gida kuma ke kuskure a mikar da kai wurin masoya kake maganar masoyi ko ba ko yau duka mun ga abin da yayi ba me yayi muna daga farai a kafarin abin da yayi maka ne da muke alfahari da shi. Musulmai yayi muna lokaci ya kai musulmai mu biya shi saboda Allah ne dai sako na duka ne hukunce gida suna malum sun ce muna wai al-muslim ahul muslim kai zan siya ban siya kan komi don karatu ba wai na yi shi bane shi nake malum ma ke fadi manna ne mai izinin malum ku za ku yi addu'a kai ba ku yi addu'a dan ya zama musulmi amma akwai wani musulmi an kawo shi musulmi ne yana siya kan Allah ba mai rabu sa'a amma ne ba musulmi yana sai kan musulmi da ake siyasa gefe don wanka musulmi saboda ya zama assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
And when we pass the law, inshallah, in the next few months, we are going to make sure that it is in the law. We are going to make sure every year at least that money, the equivalent of $50 million, will be in that fund every year, so that no government can come and say there is no money for Zongo development. It will be in the law, and we will make sure it happens, inshallah. And we also promise that, inshallah, we will begin the payment for Arabic tutors. And inshallah, we hope to do so this year in 2017 under this budget. So we are beginning to do a lot of things. We know that there is an outstanding promise also, and we will fulfill it, that we will make sure Arabic is an examinable subject in JSS and SS exams in this country. And we are going to make sure that is done, inshallah.